Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download Davinci Resolve. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Davinci Resolve. Open the official website and you will be redirected to this type of web page. Scroll down a little bit and you will be able to find the download links for the free version along with the paid version. Click on the first one and it will ask you to select the one you would like to download. Select either one, but keep in mind that the studio version is paid. After selecting the preferred version, click on Windows button. Now a form will open up. Simply fill all of the fields and then click on the Register and Download button. You can see that the download is now being started. And that's how you can download Davinci Resolve. Hope you liked the video. Thanks!